Alright, so let's solve this. We need a common denominator, which is obviously going to be n plus 8 and n plus 1. So this n plus 5 needs an n plus 1. We're going to subtract this 2, and this needs an n plus 1 and an n plus 8. Put this in brackets because we'll do the multiplication before distributing the negative. And this 6 needs an n plus 8. And it's going to be negative 6, so of course n plus 8. And all of that is over n plus 8 and n plus 1. And then we just need to work it all out. So I have n squared plus 6n plus 5. This middle portion will become negative 2n squared minus 18n minus 16. This last portion will become negative 6n minus 48. And that's all of this is going to be equal to 0. Remember, we moved everything to one side, so it's going to be equal to 0 over n plus 8 and n plus 1. Then what we need to do is we need to simplify everything in the numerator and then set the numerator equal to 0. Alright, so then we combine everything in the top row. I have negative n squared. Those will go away. Then I have negative 12n. I have minus 18n. Goes away. Then I have 5 minus 16, negative 11, which is negative 59, over n plus 8 and n plus 1 equals 0. Well, this is only going to be equal to 0 where the numerator is equal to 0. So we're simply going to just set the numerator equal to 0. Well, it's clear we're going to have to do the quadratic formula. So I'm going to have 18 plus or minus the square root, and any number squared is going to be positive. So I'm going to have 18 times 18, and that's equal to 324. Then minus 4 times negative 1 times a negative 59. All over 2 times a, which is 2 times negative 1. And when you do work this whole thing out, we ended up getting that x equals to negative 13.6904 and x equals to a negative 4.3096.